I have a question for you.
Go, Jack.
So, so let me see. So my issue that I have is I've seen a few people, including you, explain the math for the 10 or the 3, like you were doing earlier,
Mhm.
and maybe I can't count. Maybe it's me. But I'm trying to figure out uh, how that math works because,
Very simple.
yeah, if you
By it's by category. It's not by the total. It's by category. So let's go over here. The math that's over here. So if you have one file, and let's get rid of the inquiry. I don't like disputing inquiries and personal information. All I like disputing is the real stuff. I don't like going after 55 points. I like going after the real pointage. So here's what I'm disputing if I'm going. Let's hit next. Come over here. Let's get rid hide positive item, and this is everything that's on the credit report. Okay. When you when you scroll over here, you got two negative items, right?
Mhm.
You got one all other collection, one all other derogatory late 1-2 or delinquency late 1-2, and you got a charge off. So this, no matter what you select, this is one envelope. This is one envelope times three because one they go to each bureau. Once you select this, it's instantly times three. Okay. So now you selected this. This is times three. So this is one. This is one. So that's three, and it's one. That's three. This is 6 letters in total. Okay.
oh,
Now is not the best one to learn on. This one's the best one to learn on. This is what I will break it down for you on. Let's go over here. Let's select the letters, and let's get again select all. So identifier inquiry. Cut this off. Let's go here. Let it read. Let's go here. Hide positive items again. All three BO selected, so remind everything is times by three. Now, here it is. Everything here started to break up the colors, matching the colors. And in this case, we're doing 10. So you need 10 negative items in the letter for it to go to the next letter. Okay? So you're going to have 3 no matter what, but you're going to have it by category. So this is one category. Here's 3. This one's student loan derogatory late. 1, 2. I don't think I see any more over here. Student loan. This is 3, 4. Hold on. Is this 1-2? No, this is 3 plus. And this one's 3 plus. 3 plus. Perfect. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5. 5. Okay. So this is another letter. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still another category. This is 9. Here's the light blue. This is all other derogatory lates, 3 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under 10. Another letter. This is 12. Then here, this is all other delinquency lates, 1-2. This is 1, 2. That is a total. That's another. What is it? Another letter. This is 15 letters. So in total, this is if we generated it like this, with no extra letters for the BK court, this would come out a total of 15 letters. Now the pages would be astronomical, but the letter count would be 15.
okay.
Okay. Why? Because each category is represented. Now, if I take the items and I match them to 1, well, just count down the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 times 3, 50, 50 what? 54, 56, 54, 56, something like that.
Yeah. 57.
57? Yeah, so that's 57. That's 57 letters. If you do it times 3, if you do 3 items, then here's the 3 items. Count your thing. This is 1 because there's only 1 in the category. So that's 3 letters. So that's one. This is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 5. That's two letters. So that's two, that's six now in total. So now we have 9. Here's the charge offs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2 letters. So now instead of 9, we got 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another 6. We got 21. Okay. And then we have this one over here. 1, 2. That's 3. That comes out to 24. So 24, in that sense, you got 24 letters if we do it by 3. You just halved it.
Oh, okay.
Did that make sense how it works or no? Still confused.
I was still a little confused.
So that's cool.
I got it when you counted everything down the line, because it was what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19. It's 10 times 3,
Mm-hmm.
right? And that's how at the 50, whatever that number was.
Mm-hmm.
Now this second method is still confusing me.
Hold on. I'm going to make it easier for you. Let me do something a little differently over here. Paint. There we go. Control V, Control V. I want you to look at it like this. I'm going to take screenshots over here for each section. So this one is 1. Okay. Here's 1 letter. Okay. Now I'm gonna take them out as they equal. So let's do the charge off next. Shit. Sorry. I'm trying to be precise over here, so you guys get what I'm trying to do. Okay. That's another set around. Okay. And if I remember correctly, this one over here was charge up. Yes, this is a charge off. Okay. Now, these two are exact same. Now, some people are visual learners, some people auditory learners. Okay. So let's break this up now where we can actually see this. Everybody can see the paint screen, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is pub. This is public record. PUB. Okay. Maybe we should make that a little thicker. Okay. Pub. PUB. Okay. Public record is only 1. Okay. So you're going to get 3 letters because you got to send them to each bureau. Okay. 1 here. Now, in this red one over here, you have to break it up by 3. So here's 3. Here's another 3. And here's 1. So what do you have? How many groupings do you have here? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 groupings times 3 negatives for each. You have 9 letters total.
Now, why do you have to break it up by 3?
Because we said 3 negative items per letter. So here's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 negatives. Plus here's another 3 negatives. And here's the last one. That's 3.
Okay.
Okay. Now the same thing over here. Let's go. I'm going to grab blue. 1, 2, 3. We're going to break this up over here. This is 2. times 3, the negative. Here's 6. Okay. Now, same here. Same thing with this one. Here's 3. Here's another, just two letters that have to go out with 3 negatives in each letter. Here's another 6 letters. And then this one, this lighter purple over here, which I'm just going to grab this one for argument's sake. I put them in the wrong one. This is only 1, which is 3, which in total is 3. So how many letters do we have? So 6 and 6 is 12, and 9 is 21, and 3 and 3. This is a total of 27 letters. Does that make better sense visually?
It makes all the sense.
So now what's hard about it is the software doesn't group all of them up like I just did. It doesn't group each of them individually up like I just did. So pulling them apart, taking them from this to this now looks completely different, because now it's like, oh shit, now I see it, because they're all together. So now, even just to give you an idea, let's change the number to 5, right? Which I said the most aggressive routes will start at 5. So this is still the same. This number just changes from 3 to 5. Okay? This is the same thing. This is the same thing. Here, we're going to move this, and I'm going to change this number to, I'm just going to use gray for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have this. There's 1 letter over here. So this is 2 letters. This is at 5, okay? You have 5 negative items in here. What's the thing going to be? Total letter. This total letter is going to be 6. It's not this time equals that. This is the amount of negatives that are in here, okay? There's 2 letters with the negative. Here's 5. There's going to be 6 letters. Over here, there's only 1 letter again. This is 3. Okay? Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. This is 3. This is 1. This is 3. So 3, 6, 9. This is not 5. I don't know why I thought this is 5. This is 3. Oh, this is 3. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12. And this is what, 18? 18. So if you added this as 5, right? So over here is 5. You're looking at 18 letters by just going up by 2. Now, vice versa, say we did this at 4. That's, just to give you the breakdown if we were doing it right. If I did this at 4, this is still 1 letter. This is going to be at 4. It's still going to be 3. This, on the other hand, this is going to break up differently. Let me change the color again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is still 2. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be a 4. Still going to have 6 letters. This one's going to be 1, 4, with 3 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to break this up. This is going to be 2 at 4 with 6 letters. And this is still going to be 1 at 4 with 3 letters. So what is it? 3, 9, 15. No. 3, 9. This would be 12, 18, 21. See how the letters go up every round?
Yeah.
So now, when everybody goes, Ali, how do I manage to fix my prices so I know what I got to pay every month? It's simple. Manage your negative items. So if I know this is the same thing, how many negatives I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If I have 19 negative items, okay, the most letters I can send out is 19 times 19. Well, one for each. 19 times 3.
No, 93 is yeah.
19 times 3, which is whatever that be 7, right? I think that's what somebody said.
Mhm.
That's the most I can send out per round. But it can go down from them. So you know what? I can have 57. I can have 57. This was 3. This is 27, 21, or 18. That's what I could do every round.
Okay, so just to make sure I got you right, instead of doing 57 in the first go around, you could do 18, 18, 18 or 18, 27, or I mean 18, 21, 27, 57.
We're focusing on is this. We would start with 5 items for 3 rounds. So what we would do is 5, this one for 3 rounds. So we're gonna have this number go around 3 rounds. Okay. Then let's get another color over here. This number go for 3 rounds. Okay. Then we're gonna have this go for 3 rounds. Okay, another 3. That's total 9, right?
Mhm.
Right? That's how I did it.
Yep.
2, 3. On the 9th round, you can pick your aggressiveness. Do you want to go 3 or do you want to go 1? And then you can pick there, and then this one go for 1 round. Right? At this point, and hopefully you'll have something. You should have something at that point. It says
Makes sense. Makes sense.
that is wow, this is a lot.
Yeah.
This is the first time I ever explained it like this. So, got a new monitor. I'm gonna tell everybody. Got a new monitor. It's freaking huge. I'm waiting for the so I have it sitting on my desk. There's a stylus that comes with it, so I'm gonna be able to draw on this. So this really soon is gonna be really sick. Where this now I'll be able to actually stand up, and the camera will be facing me, and I'll actually be drawing on the monitor. So you'll be able to see it live, but you'll actually see me drawing on the monitor and drawing this stuff out for you guys like a smart board, because this is what we've been trying to do to get you guys to understand that this is the public records. This is your charge offs. This is your CC charge off, late payment. Late. This is 3 plus. This is 1-2. It says S3 plus. 5 categories. These are your categories on the top. 5 categories. 5 categories. And that's how we do it.